Many gardening problems can be solved without expensive products or complicated equipment. In fact, some of the most effective solutions come from simple materials that are easy to find and affordable to use. Whether your goal is to provide plants with a steady supply of nutrients or ensure they receive consistent moisture during hot weather, a few clever DIY methods can make a big difference. Today we will look at two practical methods that help plants thrive using simple, low-cost materials. Method number 1. Homemade mustard cake, liquid fertilizer. Mustard cake is one of the most popular organic fertilizers used by gardeners because it contains important nutrients that support strong plant growth. It is rich in nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, sulfur, and other micronutrients that help plants develop healthy roots, greener leaves, and better flowering. To make a liquid fertilizer, place about 1 kilogram of mustard cake into a bucket and add a few handfuls of brown sugar. The sugar helps encourage beneficial microbial activity and supports the fermentation process. Next, add around 12 liters of water and mix everything thoroughly. Cover the container and leave it for at least 24 hours. During this time, the mustard cake softens and releases nutrients into the water, creating a concentrated fertilizer solution. After fermentation, the mixture becomes dark and nutrient-rich, although it develops a strong smell, which is completely normal. Because the fertilizer is very concentrated, it should always be diluted before use. Mix 2 parts fertilizer with 10 parts water and apply it around the root zone of your plants. Avoid spraying it directly onto leaves, especially young or tender growth. This fertilizer works particularly well for vegetables, flowering plants, fruit trees, roses, hibiscus, and many potted plants. Regular use every 10 to 15 days can help support vigorous growth, healthier foliage, and increased flowering. In addition to feeding plants, it also encourages beneficial soil microbes that improve long-term soil health. Method number 2, DIY plastic bottle drip irrigation systems. Consistent watering is just as important as proper nutrition, and plastic bottles can be turned into simple drip irrigation systems that deliver water directly to plant roots. These systems help conserve water while reducing the need for frequent manual watering. The first method uses a plastic bottle and a drip irrigation spike. Begin by cutting most of the way around the bottom of the bottle, leaving a small section attached to create a hinged lid. Remove the original cap and attach the irrigation spike securely to the bottle opening. Insert the spike into the soil near your plant and fill the bottle through the hinged opening. Once filled, close the lid and adjust the valve on the spike until water drips slowly into the soil. The second method requires only a plastic bottle and a syringe needle. Fill the bottle completely with water and carefully insert the needle near the bottom of the bottle. Place the bottle on a brick or another raised surface close to the plant. The slight elevation increases water pressure and allows moisture to slowly escape through the tiny needle opening. This creates a steady drip that keeps the root zone moist for an extended period. Both systems provide slow and efficient watering, making them especially useful during hot weather. They reduce water waste, keep moisture focused around the roots, and help plants stay healthy even when regular watering is difficult. Together, these two methods create a simple but effective gardening combination. The mustard cake fertilizer provides a steady supply of nutrients, while the bottle irrigation systems ensure plants receive consistent moisture. By using inexpensive and readily available materials, gardeners can support stronger growth, healthier soil, and more productive plants without relying on costly commercial products.
Method number 3, planting pockets, using limited compost. When compost is limited, spreading it thinly across the whole garden often gives weak results. Instead, this method concentrates nutrients directly at the root zone, creating powerful feeding pockets for plants. Start by selecting the area where you want to plant. This could be a garden bed, raised bed, or even a large container. Mark the spots where each plant will grow, keeping proper spacing so plants don't compete with each other. Once marked, dig fairly deep holes. Bigger holes allow more organic material to be added and give roots loose space to grow. Inside each hole, add kitchen waste such as vegetable peels, fruit scraps, dried leaves, or garden residues. These materials slowly decompose underground and release nutrients over time. Sprinkle a small amount of bone meal on top to support strong root development with phosphorus and calcium. If bone meal isn't available, wood ash can be used as an alternative, or you can skip this step entirely if needed. Next, cover the hole with compost if you have it. Even a small amount works well when concentrated. If compost is very limited, garden soil can be used instead. You can plant seeds or seedlings immediately, or wait a week to allow the organic matter to start breaking down. These nutrient-rich pockets support stronger roots, healthier leaves, and better growth, even if the surrounding soil is poor. Over time, microbes and nutrients spread outward, gradually improving the entire soil area. Water the hole thoroughly so moisture reaches the bottom. This activates microbial activity and speeds up decomposition.